We're gonna replace a car battery on 2010 Infiniti G37. Gonna start by taking out the battery cover. I'm gonna remove a couple trim pieces. One more right here. Now all this should come off. Gonna temporarily remove this, at least side half of it. One more push pin to remove. Now we should be able to remove this piece. I'm gonna remove this cover. Now I'm gonna loosen this and this nut. Both of them are 10 millimeter. Don't completely remove them, just loosen them. Remove those mounting rods from the battery base. This one's not far, right here. Now you should be able to just leave this bracket. Now we're gonna remove the positive terminal. It's a 10 millimeter nut. Same thing with the negative terminal, 10 millimeter nut, and take it out. Now remove the battery. So it looks like this battery lasted just a little over 3 years. And it does come with 3-year warranty, which is too late to do anything now. I ended up going with interstate battery from Costco. Comes with 3-year warranty, and this one was just $120. When I checked batteries at local auto parts stores, they were about $180. It's raining a bit, so I'm gonna put a rag here to keep it dry. To make it easier to slide battery in, I'm gonna remove this and move it just a little bit. Now I'll just slide battery in. I'm gonna put this back. Now I'm gonna put the battery holding bracket back in place. Connect positive terminal and secure this 10 millimeter socket. Now let's work on negative terminal. Put this in and secure with 10 millimeter socket. Put this back. We're gonna put this piece back. Secure all push pins. So one there, one there. Might be more that needed, but this should be good enough. I'm gonna put this weather stripping back. Now let's put divider back. Now let's put bunch of push pins in. I have a new ones because usually those don't last too long if you remove them. Looks good. And put the battery cover back on, and that's it. If you want to buy those push pins, I'll put Amazon affiliate link in description of this video. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll try to reply as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. See you next time.